course, it's Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham, and I'm at the 2025 RIU Explorers Conference in Fremantle, catching up with an old friend of the Roadhouse. Here's Scott Williamson, Managing Director of Blackstone Minerals. Scott, welcome back. It's good to see you.
Yeah, thanks, Wally.
Now, Blackstone, all right, we've covered a lot of things in the past of which you've been up to, but you've flipped the script recently. So there's some new news going on in the form of a merger.
Yeah.
The who, what, why, and wherefore. So fill us in.
Yeah, so we're looking to merge with a unlisted vehicle called IDM International. They've been working the Mankind world-class copper-gold porphyry project over the last 3 or 4 years, and we're looking at a merger of equals. Really exciting opportunity. The IDM team have done an amazing job of particularly de-risking the asset from a social licence perspective. We think it's a world-class asset. We think that there's a lot more drilling and exploration excitement to come. It's the first time this asset's been on the ASX. We can't wait to really explore and deliver.
All right, so you're just saying the first time the asset's been on the ASX, so we're going to wait until the deal's done before it's there?
Obviously, yeah, we need to get through the merger process, so there is obviously a little bit of work to be done there. That's a lot of just paperwork, really, so we're pretty confident it'll get through by the end of May, and then we'll be hitting the ground running with some drill rigs. Meanwhile, we've got assays pending on some holes that IDM have drilled previously, and so we're looking to bring those to market as quickly as possible, so plenty of news flow through the merger period. As soon as we've finished the merger, end of May, hit the ground running with some drill rigs.
All right, so how does this work in hand with your other project over in Vietnam? Are the two going to run concurrently?
Yeah, so what we've done, we're still running a joint venture process on the Vietnam asset, and we're looking at potential partners that could free carry us, which would mean that all of the new funds would be able to go into the copper gold asset. So we've got an opportunity to really continue to have exposure to nickel, but no costs, which would be great. So we're looking at a scenario where a joint venture partner would bring a lot of the opportunity to remove a lot of those costs, but then the new funding could then be pushed into the copper gold, which the market sees as a great opportunity. So the market has spoken, it likes copper gold. Unfortunately, it's been tough in nickel.
Yeah, and I was about to say, I mean, a smart move moving into the copper gold space now, especially the way things are going with the gold price.
Yeah, no, gold price. This is just as much a gold play as it is a copper play. So a lot of copper gold porphyries have fairly low grades in gold. This has got some of the best gold grades in any copper gold porphyry globally. So that's why we're believing that it is a world-class asset. It's probably the sort of asset that will attract major mining companies as well, and we're excited to potentially chat to those when the time's right.
And you're still sort of maintaining an Asian focus, let's say.
Yeah, and that's the good thing, is we've got a lot of history now operating in Vietnam over 5 years. We've got a team, we've got all the equipment, so we can leverage off all that great work that we've done and now use that in the copper gold space.
All right. So what do we? Well, we expect to hear more about the merger. Again, I'm going to touch on the Vietnamese. Do we expect to hear any news coming out of?
Well, yeah. Hopefully, we can pull that deal together as soon as possible as well. So that could be a good catalyst. But more importantly, yeah, geophysics, drilling, all of that excitement around exploration, discovery almost of this copper gold porphyry.
Yeah. And so it's sort of like, oh, we've got a new toy out there. Let's get out and let's unwrap it. Let's play with it.
Yeah,
let's see what we've got.
Definitely. And like I said, the good work done by the previous owners and the IDM international team, we just couldn't be more excited to merge with them, looking to get that done as quickly as possible and get that excitement back in the stock.
All right, true, Scott. Oh, well, it's great to catch up, mate. We haven't seen each other for quite some time, so it's always good to see what's going on and great to see that some really exciting news. So make sure you keep in touch so we can bring it to all the viewers at the Roadhouse.
Thanks, Wally.
Cheers.